It was an ordinary Tuesday morning. The market opened, and a few minutes later, the investment portfolio crossed $300,217. There was no big celebration. No champagne was popped, and nothing was posted on Instagram. The character just sat in the kitchen, quietly drinking coffee. By lunchtime, the portfolio had gained more money than they used to save in a whole month. That was the exact moment they realized the rules of the game had changed before they even noticed. To understand how they got here, you have to rewind. 7 years earlier, they were staring at a bank account balance that felt impossible to fix. The huge distance between those two moments is today's story. Back then, at age 31, things looked terrible. They had only $2,700 in savings, but they owed $18,400 in credit card debt. Their retirement account was basically empty, which meant their net worth was deep in the negative numbers. From the outside, they looked successful, and everyone else around them seemed completely stable. But the emotional reality was exhausting. Every single unexpected expense felt like a massive emergency. Most people think wealth is only about reaching $1 million. In reality, the biggest shift happens much earlier. It starts with understanding the hidden stages of money that almost nobody talks about. The first instinct when you're stuck in a financial hole is always to earn more money. You start working overtime, picking up extra side hustles on the weekends, and chasing promotions or raises at your job. It seems like the perfect solution, but a strange thing happens. Every single extra dollar you make quickly disappears. This is because lifestyle inflation grows much faster than your income. To see how this works, look at the numbers. When their income rose from $65,000 to $82,000 a year, you would think their bank account would finally grow. Instead, their savings barely moved at all. A bigger paycheck just meant a nicer apartment, eating out at restaurants more often, and buying better things. They finally realized that the real problem was not how much money they brought home. The true issue was cash flow, which is just the way money moves in and out of your life every month. If you do not fix how you spend, a bigger shovel will not save you from a deeper hole. The biggest takeaway from this stage is simple. You cannot out-earn a system that leaks money. Once they realized they could not just out-earn their bad habits, they made their first correct move. They focused entirely on building an emergency fund, which is a pile of cash kept safe just in case something goes wrong. To do this, they set up automatic transfers. Every time a paycheck arrived, a small amount of money automatically moved into a separate savings account before they even had a chance to spend it. There were no heroics here. They did not try to pick winning stocks, and they did not buy into crypto. The goal was simple. Create some distance between what they made and what they spent. The progress was painfully slow. First, the account hit $300. Then, after a few weeks of skipping nice dinners, it crept up to $700. Months crawled by, and it slowly grew to $2,000, then $5,000, and finally, after what felt like forever, it hit $10,000. The most frustrating part of this stage was that nothing felt different. Day to day, their life looked exactly the same. They still drove the same old car, and they still worried about bills. Saving that first $10,000 was incredibly boring, and there were no flashing lights or cheers when they reached it. But they learned an important lesson during those quiet months. Direction beats speed. Even if you're moving slowly, as long as you're moving towards safety, you are winning. Just when things started to feel steady, the first real crisis hit. It always happens when you least expect it. It could be a major car repair, a sudden layoff scare at work, an unexpected medical bill, or a big drop in the stock market. For them, it was a mixture of these stressful events hitting all at once. This was the test nobody sees coming, the moment that usually ruins all your hard work and forces you right back to the beginning. To see how much things had changed, you only had to look at a friend of theirs who did the exact opposite. When the bad news hit, the friend panicked. The friend completely emptied their small investment accounts, took on a bunch of high-interest credit card debt to pay for emergencies, and sold off stocks at a loss because they were scared the market would go to zero. The main character did none of those things. They did not panic, and they did not touch their long-term money. This was not because they were smarter than their friend. And it was not because they had extra courage. It was simply because they finally had a system in place. That boring emergency fund they had built acted like a shield, absorbing the blow so their life could keep moving forward. They realized a key insight during this scary time. Wealth is not built during easy months. It is revealed during the hard ones. After surviving the hard times, they reached the most famous milestone in personal finance, the first $100,000. It is easy to see why everyone underestimates this milestone until they actually get there. For a long time, saving money feels like pulling a heavy sled uphill by yourself. But once the portfolio hits this level, something incredible happens. The money finally starts moving on its own. Every month, they kept putting $1,000 of their own money into the account. But now the stock market was adding its own power. At first, the monthly growth from investments was just $300. A few months later, it grew to $500. Soon, the market was adding $700 in a single month. The character noticed something strange while looking at the numbers one evening. They did not have to do all the heavy lifting anymore. The market was now doing a large part of the work for them. For the very first time in their life, their money had momentum. It felt like a snowball that started small, but was now rolling down a hill, getting bigger and faster with every turn. This stage taught them a major lesson. The first $100,000 is the hardest to get, but proves to you that compounding is real. This specific stage gets almost no attention in books or on the news, but it is actually the place where your everyday life truly begins to change. Reaching $200,000 does not make you rich, but it gives you a hidden kind of power that alters how you look at the world. Suddenly, you gain the ability to walk away from a toxic job where the boss treats you poorly. You gain the confidence to negotiate a higher salary because you know you do not need their paycheck just to survive the month. You can finally take calculated risks and, most importantly, you gain the ability to sleep peacefully through the night without worrying about your bank account. This new safety allowed the character to face major life decisions with total calm. Instead of staying stuck in one place forever, they could think about moving to a completely new city, starting a small business they always dreamed about, or starting a family. They were no longer using their extra cash to buy more stuff like fancy clothes or expensive gadgets. Instead, they were using their money to buy more freedom. They realized that you do not have to wait until you have millions of dollars to feel the benefits of your hard work. The final lesson of this stage is powerful. Financial security expands your options long before it ever makes you rich. This brings us right back to that ordinary Tuesday morning at the $300,000 threshold. This stage is the most exciting part of the journey because everything changes mathematically and psychologically. Years ago, when they first started saving, their monthly contribution was the only thing making the account grow. If they did not manually put money in, the balance just sat there. But now, things are completely different. The average market gains sometimes exceed the actual amount of money they contribute each month. In some months, the portfolio gains $2,000, $3,000, or even $4,000 all on its own. This happens without them working a single hour of overtime or picking up any extra side hustles. Of course, it does not happen every single month, and the stock market never guarantees a steady rise. But it happens often enough for them to notice a massive shift. The character finally realizes the true nature of what they built. For years, they felt like they were pushing a giant boulder up a steep hill, straining with every step just to keep it from rolling backward. Now, the hill is finally helping them. The boulder has reached the top and is starting to roll down the other side with its own power. The ultimate lesson of reaching $300,000 is beautiful. At this stage, your money starts behaving more like a helpful partner than a difficult project. The real transformation that happens at this stage is not just about the wealth you can see in a bank account. The deepest change is actually in how you make decisions every day. There is a huge internal shift in how you think. They completely stop checking the stock market every single morning, and they stop chasing hot stocks that everyone on the internet is talking about. They no longer feel the need to obsess over every single dollar they spend or save. Instead, automation runs everything in the background. Their investments happen automatically without them having to lift a finger or make a choice. This means the whole system survives and grows without needing any daily motivation or willpower. Even on weeks when they're tired or busy with life, the money machine just keeps working perfectly on its own. They look back at how much they used to worry and realize they have entered a whole new world with completely different rules. The final and most important lesson of this entire journey is simple. The wealthy do not win because they work harder on their money. They win because their money eventually requires less of their attention. Somewhere else, a new character is sitting in front of a computer screen. This person is 26 years old and is spending the evening watching investing videos online. They are actively considering buying risky meme stocks, constantly looking for quick shortcuts to get rich overnight. In their mind, true wealth only begins when you finally hit $1 million. They believe anything less than that huge number is not even worth celebrating. They have absolutely no idea what the future holds for them. They do not know that years from now, after a lot of slow and boring choices, they will wake up on a completely ordinary Tuesday morning and see a number on their screen that changes everything. It will not be $1 million. It will be just over $300,000. This number will not make them rich enough to buy yachts or mansions, but it will completely change their relationship with time, risk, and opportunity. It will give them the freedom to breathe, to choose a better job, and to stop worrying about the future. On that exact morning, when the portfolio crosses $300,217, nothing special will happen. No alarms will sound, and no one will throw a party. The coffee will still taste the same. But that quiet moment will be the exact second when everything becomes completely different.